我是 Joyce 老师。Today we're gonna be having a little experiment, a very simple experiment about sound and vibration, and it is called seeing sound. How can we see sounds? Sound is something that you can hear. Use our ears to hear the sound. So we can make some sounds with our mouth, like and also humming. So how can we see sounds? Sounds are something that we can hear, but we can't really see. So how about let's take a look. We're gonna need a plate, a bowl, some cling wrap, and don't forget our sprinkles. If you don't have sprinkles at home, we can try to use some rice. Let's see if it can work. So first, we're gonna wrap our bowl with our cling wrap. And if we're gonna use some scissors, we can ask mom or dad to help us with that. Make sure to wrap our bowl very tightly. Stretch out the cling wrap around our bowl. And just like a little drum. Next, we're gonna add our sprinkles. I prefer to use the little beads one. And first, we're gonna press the middle a little bit. And then pour some sprinkles. And there you go. Please remember to place the plate under the bowl, or else it's gonna be a huge mess. Now here comes the fun part. Hi everyone. Hi, I'm Joyce. I haven't seen you in a long time. Are you having fun with our science experiment? The sprinkles are moving because of vibration. That was really fun, right? So because we make sound with our throat, with our mouth, with our voice, it makes the plastic wrap, the cling wrap, vibrate with all of the sprinkles on the top. And then that's how we can see sound. I think it's too much fun. Let's try one more time, all right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. This is our science experiment for today called Seeing Sound. I hope that you had fun, and I really hope that you can try to do the same thing back at home. See you next time. This is Joyce signing off.